Hey guys, Eads here. So, what you're about to watch is I would say, halfway, somewhat of a restoration of a 1943 Gibson acoustic. The story is it belonged to a friend of mine's mom, and basically, yeah, she played it in over the radio in Aurora, Illinois, in the 40s as the stage name Rocky Allen. Crazy fact about this acoustic guitar as well is it survived a house fire, as to which her family and the 8 kids survived along with this Gibson, and everything else was perished. So, yeah, this is very sentimental. This is very cool. This is just massive part of radio history here for our for our little area. So, being asked to put this thing back together was something that I extremely grateful for. So the family that brought this in, I love you guys. Thank you so much. Big part of our family. We've known each other for a very, very, very long time. So one thing I do want to note though, so this was the guitar that basically made me realize that I needed to capture as much as I can for future footage on top of everything else going in the future. So this is what made me realize that on top of the live streams, I need to also document this stuff as well. Unfortunately, what wasn't caught was me pulling the fret wire, which I did via live stream. So to those that were there, that were watching on that TikTok live stream, you guys got to see something really cool and really special. Also, as you realize, I'm starting to do more consideration. I'm starting to record more, do more horizontal shots versus vertical. So this looks like it's going to be in a full screen for a YouTube video versus going up Northscape or whatever. So yeah, everything moving forward is going to be full screen for any kind of YouTube footage. Also, really something I really want to note in the video documentation that after setting this guitar up and dialing in everything, this is part one, but the next part is going to come after this too. After dialing in everything, this is the most rich and genuine acoustic guitar I've ever heard and ever played. And I was about maybe 5 feet away from my microphone and my phone, and it was just so loud that it was causing my phone to clip. Like, it was just like, oh, too loud, loud, loud. So we just like, you can hear the compression as I'm starting to open up on that playing, and God, it felt so good. So yeah, dude, I already missed that guitar. God damn it, Gustavo, you got...